Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to make a lactic acid face cream, and I'm gonna start off with my base cream that I made. So I'm gonna start by measuring how much I need. So okay, now that I've measured out the exact cream that I need, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out the lactic acid. And I made this cream from scratch, and there's a video about how I'm making it down in the description bar. I'm gonna put it there. So I'm measuring the lactic acid now. Remember, if you're making a face cream, you just have to be very careful because the face is very sensitive, and if you measure the lactic acid like too much of a percentage, then the skin will instead be irritated and even burn. So I'll go ahead and mix this up. And again, with making lactic acid, you have to make sure that about your ingredients of the base. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this until my lactic acid is fully mixed in the cream. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my essential oil, and this time I'm gonna use lavender. I'm gonna put in about 3 drops of lavender. So now that my cream is ready, you can go ahead and just put this in your jar or your bottle, whatever you prefer. And there's an option of you can add some color, but I'm not gonna add color. I'm just gonna leave it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my tin here. And lactic acid is very exfoliating to the skin. It will take all the dead skin off. And this cream is really, I put very little of the lactic acid that the skin would not be irritated. And there we are, our lactic acid face cream. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up.